Hello viewers, how are you all? I think you are fine. In this tutorial, we will learn how to clean C drive in Windows 10 to optimize the performance of your PC. Okay, let's start. In order to clean C drive in Windows 10, we have to overcome 5 steps properly. First step, cleaning temporary file. For cleaning temporary file, right-click on the Start button, go to Run. From your keyboard, write temp and OK or enter. If this message shows, then click continue. See here, Windows 10, Windows temporary files. Select one and from your keyboard, press Ctrl+A to select all and press Shift+Delete to delete the file permanently. Click yes. If some of the files cannot be deleted, select do this all for current items and escape. Okay, close the window. Again, right click on the Start button, click Run. From your keyboard, write %temp%, then OK. See here, Windows 10, user, username, application data, local and temporary file. All these files are not necessary for running the Windows smoothly. So, select all these files. From your keyboard, press Ctrl+A to select all and press Shift+Delete to delete all these files permanently. Then click Yes. If some of the files cannot be deleted, skip. Close this window. Cleaning temporary file, the third one is go to Run again and from your keyboard type preface. Then enter or click OK. If it shows, then click continue. See here under Windows folder, all these are unnecessary preface files. So select all of them and delete all. For deleting permanently, press Shift+Delete from your keyboard. Yes. If some files cannot be deleted, skip them. Okay, close the program. Here we have already cleaned all temporary files. Our first step is okay. We are going to the second step. When we delete a file from our PC, it is not deleted permanently from our PC. It goes to the recycle bin and there it takes some space. So, for cleaning our C drive, we have to clean up our recycle bin. Okay, for this, our second step is cleaning up recycle bin. Double click on the recycle bin. See here, these are the files that we have already deleted from different drives, but they have been recycled in the recycle bin. Okay, select all of them from your keyboard, Ctrl+A to select all and press Shift+Delete to delete them permanently. Yes. Close the program. Our second step, that means cleaning recycle bin, is okay. Then our third step, uninstalling unnecessary programs. For uninstalling program, just right click on the Start button. Here go to Apps and Feature, or you can write uninstall to get the option. Yes. Go to down space and see there are different types of programs. You can uninstall some of the unnecessary programs. Suppose I am going to uninstall the programs Audacity, and you can here click uninstall and it will process. You can uninstall all the unnecessary programs to free up your C drive and clean up C drive so that it can perform better. Close the window. Now step number 4 is disk cleanup. Just go to My Computer or Explorer. Here, Drive C, right click on it. Go to Properties. Now click Disk Cleanup. It will clean up all disk space. Select all the checkboxes. At first, clean up system files. Click on it. See here, it is cleaning. Please wait, it may take few minutes. From here, drop this button. Please check all the boxes. Then click OK. Now delete files. Click on this. Please wait. This is cleaning all the unnecessary files. Please wait. It may take time. OK. Now click OK. Close the window. Our last step is optimizing C. Now we have to optimize the drive. For that, go to My Computer or Explorer. Now select this PC. Select Drive C. Right click on it. Go to Properties. Now click on Tool tab. Click Optimize now. Select Drive C. C has been selected here. Now you have to optimize so that Drive C can be optimized properly. I am clicking on it. Please wait, it is running. Drive C is being optimized. Please wait, it may take time. For optimizing your PC, defragmentation may take few minutes. Please wait. Okay, our disk optimization has been okay. Now click close. Click OK. We have already cleaned up C drive and we have already optimized it. Now you will get a lot of space and better performance of your PC. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.